just close your eyes. Okay, Echo, you can see it now.
Whoa! What is that?
It's a time machine. We can use it to travel through the 4 different eons in the Earth's geological timescale and visit some key moments in the Earth's evolution.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
This is the Hadean Eon, the first eon in the Earth's geological timescale.
This is the formation of the Earth? It's terrifying here. There's fire and explosions everywhere.
That's right. The Hadean Eon began with the formation of the planet. During this time, there were lots of volcanic eruptions, and meteors were constantly crashing into the Earth's crust. The hot and hostile environment meant that no life forms existed during this time.
Can we go, Nixon? I'm not so sure I can handle this for much longer. Much calmer. It seems as if the Earth's crust has cooled considerably since the Hadean Eon.
Spot on, Echo! We are now in the Archean Eon. Did you know that this eon also marks the beginning of life on Earth?
But it seems so empty here. Are you sure, Nixon?
Yes, Echo. While we can't see it with our naked eye, the water is filled with single-celled organisms known as cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria was the first organism to produce and release oxygen to the world. This event went on to shape life on our planet. Scientists found fossils of cyanobacteria in rocks, known as stromatolites. These fossils are the earliest evidence of life on Earth.
So what came after cyanobacteria?
Let's jump ahead in time and find out. Take a deep breath, Echo. We are now in the Proterozoic Eon.
The air feels so different.
That is because the cyanobacteria have been releasing oxygen to the atmosphere for billions of years. During this build-up of oxygen, life evolved from single-celled organisms to multicellular organisms.
Living organisms still seem limited to the oceans. Let's go to the next eon, when life exploded in growth. Hey Nixon, which eon are we in now? All the time traveling is making me dizzy.
Silly you, Echo. We are now in the Phanerozoic Eon, and it is split into 3 eras. The first is known as the Paleozoic era. The start of this era is marked by an explosion of life.
Trilobite! A now extinct marine animal, the trilobite's fossils have been vital to studying the Paleozoic era. They were found all around the world and are considered to be the first known animals to have vision. Wow, Chipsters! This was the first time any species of animals walked on land. That must be a tetrapod.
That's right, Echo. Tetrapods left behind the first footprints, which became the earliest trace fossils. This historic moment changed the world for millions of years to come.
I already know what comes next.
Oh, what's that, Echo?
It's the Mesozoic era, the age of the reptiles and dinosaurs.
You're already an expert on dinosaurs, aren't you, Echo? In that case, why don't we jump ahead to the Cenozoic era?
Want to watch the full video? Sign up now and get started with your own free trial.